Hi, we will discuss about Groww Banking and Financial Services Fund. This fund is a sectoral fund which has exposure towards banking companies and other financial services companies. Banking and financial services sector is a very large sector. It's directly linked to the GDP growth of the economy. So as our GDP grows, we will have more and more need of financial services and this sector will see the growth. In addition to this, the attractiveness of this sector comes from a perspective of increasing financialization of our economy and also lesser penetration of credit in India. So we still don't have a very high penetration of credit in India. So the credit demand will continue to grow and this sector would be direct beneficiary of that. Another important growth driver for the sector is increasing financialization. So across income groups, we are seeing higher financial savings and those savings are require different kind of solutions like mutual fund, etc. And those businesses are growing. So this is a very good product in terms of getting exposure to financials and banking sector in India. However, one has to keep in mind that exposure to one single sector can be volatile and may take time to generate good returns. Hence, investor with only long-term time horizon should invest in this fund. I would recommend at least 5-year time horizon for investor in this fund, and SIP mode would be the best mode to invest in this fund. You can invest in this fund through various online platforms or website, or you can consult your investment advisor to invest in this fund. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.